Hey everybody, it's Mattie with Mattie's TV.
Hey, and it's Unc from B-Hop Nation TV.
We're coming back to you with another video.
Video.
Okay. All right, guys. We got a challenge that's going on out here in these YouTube streets. You know, no names was called, but if you want to do the challenge, do the challenge. The challenge is by my cyber niece, mooreeatz, Miss
Boom, mooreeatz. Hey!
Gary drinks in your cheeks.
Boom. Say hi to Agnes.
Welcome to the challenge madness.
Madness.
Okay.
Really?
It is?
Yes, it's madness.
All right, so it's the Blindfold 8K Subbie Subway Challenge.
Subbie
Subway Challenge. Congratulations go out to you, mooreeatz, for that 8K. I want to be like you, girl. Congratulations, well deserved. Congrats.
The rules is...
The rules are...
Okay, what she said. You have to wear a blindfold, put in the sandwich together. Damn it, I forgot the other phone. Oh, you can put on your timer, please. And it is a sort of a time challenge. And you have to put the sandwich together blindfolded. You can eat the sandwich blindfolded or without the blindfold, but you have to keep the timer running. Whoever does it the fastest gets 2 mukbangs sponsored by mooreeatz and Agnes. The person that has the second fastest time gets 1 mukbang sponsored by mooreeatz and Agnes. So you have to put it together blindfold. Now the bread is if you use bread, it doesn't count as a topping. You have to have 8 toppings or pieces of something.
Okay, so while Uncle makes sure that I set the timer right, I'm going to tell you what we have. I think she said to use your stopwatch. I've never used this before, so I just gave it to him to make sure I did it right. So here we have, Uncle David has turkey meat, turkey breast,
chicken, and ham, and cheese.
And then for the vegetables, we have lettuce, tomatoes, onions, green peppers, pickles, and tomatoes. On my side, I have provolone cheese, pepper jack cheese. I have turkey, ham, and bologna. And then for the toppings, we have mustard, we have mayonnaise, and we have vinegar and oil. All right? So, I have some potato chips too. Let me put these on the side.
Because I was not fully together.
One, please.
I'm comfortable to put this timer so that I just have to remember to reach around.
All right. So we got to put the blindfold. Well, who will start it?
Well, you start after you. I figured it out. Hold on. She put the blindfold on, and then she kind of peeked. And
okay.
You don't have to peek. I'm the only one that's got to peek.
Okay. I can't see nothing, y'all. Do not disturb while I'm making my subby sandwich. Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Now, if I knock the phone over, don't worry. All right. Oh, I got to start it. Goofball. That might help. And hold on. Shoot, I ain't even got my glasses on now. That should come.
And y'all, let me add, we are starving. We haven't had anything since this morning. We had a breakfast sandwich.
Hey, well, you talking too much.
I'm talking more than you.
Okay. Excuse me, I'm about to reach over you. I think that's mustard.
You started?
The timer started.
Oh, my.
I said start, go. That's why I said you was talking. I don't know how you put... Oh, my goodness. Let's see. You need some mustard? It's right there.
Thank you.
All right, here's some cheese. Here's this meat. Damn it.
You know what? I said this gonna be easy.
It's
That's
not.
what I said. That's what I said.
I don't even know where it is. I hope I didn't stop the timer.
Right mercy. This is a contest. I'm trying to get a free sponsored meal, man.
Man. How you?
Okay.
This ain't right already. You know what? Why don't I have 2 pieces of cheese?
Oh shit.
Yo,
I
bound.
got mayonnaise somewhere.
You don't even know where you put the mayonnaise. You put mayonnaise on it already?
David, just leave me alone.
Okay, I'll do that. There's meat. Okay, there. Okay, I think I'm onto something here. There's more meat over here. Okay, something. All right, I'm trying to remember where stuff is.
Oh, this is a mess right here.
This is lettuce. Oops.
This is a mess.
I need to find the pickle and the onions. What's this? That's lettuce. Why is it? Okay, lettuce is on top of everything. That feels like, I don't remember. This green peppers is thick. And I need to find some onions. Onions are thin. No, that's not it. That's meat over there.
This is a mess. This is a stinking mess.
Nah, you did. Ew,
But it's gonna
tomato,
be good.
yuck. I can't find the onions.
More is the thing gonna beep when it go off?
No, it's not going to go off.
What do you mean?
You go until you have to stop it.
Oh, I see.
You put on the wrong clock.
That's why I told you to check it.
I did.
What?
I fixed it. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay. Well, why we have this
Calm
discussion?
down. You're the one that started the conversation.
What is this?
Okay. I got meat, cheese, onions, green peppers, lettuce. Meat, cheese, onions, green peppers, lettuce, mustard. Something else I was going to put on. Oh!
Okay.
I think I put a pickle up here. Did I? I don't know. So I got to read again.
I think I got everything to my hands. Oh. I don't even know if this is open.
I think this is a pickle. Yeah, that's a pickle, because I definitely don't want to put no daggone tomato on my sandwich. Okay, I got meat, cheese.
No, we gotta stop the clock now, right?
No, you don't. So till you finish.
I'm finished.
No, till you finish eating.
No, she said you could take it
I'm
off
trying
to
to
eat.
tell you, no.
Oh my God.
You
Yes,
take the blindfold off to eat, if you want to.
Oh,
the
okay.
clock keeps going.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm finished.
Well, then take your blindfold off. Meat, cheese, lettuce.
Oh my God! Look at this sandwich, y'all.
Green peppers, pickles, mustard. I need one more thing. Can you pass me the oil? Cause seriously.
Oh my God! Look at God.
Is the top off already?
Yeah. More eats. Look at that.
How do you?
Wow.
You said the top was off. You trying to cheat me? You trying to?
Why you just lift the red top up?
Oh yeah, I can see the red top. Oh, right there. Okay. Now I gotta find. You just eat. Don't worry about what I'm doing over here. Ew. That's enough. Okay. And she said you can drink. Okay. All right. I think I'm done. All right.
I think you messed this out all up.
I ain't messing nothing. You don't blame me for it.
Yeah, because you're supposed to stop the clock after we.
You do not. The clock is stopped after you eat.
Okay.
I watched the video.
Okay, I watched it too.
Obviously you didn't. Oh, this is a whole mess. Not just some mess. You know what more eats? You know, and I keep saying I'm not doing these food challenges. And I keep saying it. But I keep doing it.
My channel says better than Subway. Great challenge, more eats. Great challenge. I made a stinking mess, but it's good. It's good. I don't think we're doing this right, but okay, whatever. Look at that. I did all that and only got a little bite. I still want some more napkins in here. So you're telling me that, did I put pickles on here?
Nope.
You know what I put on my sandwich? Do blindfold.
I'm telling you what.
It's there. I have a
No,
pickle.
I'm talking about. This I got it messed up. Tell me how I got messed
Because
up.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm supporting my niece. That's all that matters.
Whoever builds a sandwich and eats it the fastest.
Well, it ain't. Okay. Well, we
What?
lost already.
How you know?
Because my building tearing down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Y'all want some food challenges?
And you talking. Well, tell you what. When I bring this thing, I'll let you have the mukbangs. How about that?
Stop talking and eat so you can win.
Oh, now stop talking to eat.
This ain't right.
What ain't right?
My sandwich.
That's the whole purpose of doing it with the blindfold. Because it's going to be right.
I don't even know what breed that on the bottom, y'all.
Well, you had hers upside down.
See how what bread upside down?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm like, we're gonna get some snow out here, man.
I don't know. Dang. This joint almost gone already. Well, I'm drinking.
Hmm?
You drinking?
Did I drink?
Already? You drinking?
No, I'm about to.
No. Wipe them out.
Why?
There's just much of mayonnaise in your mouth.
Oh, I didn't put mustard on it.
Yeah, it was right there. I'm to be talking about this stuff all. She been talking this challenge all day. Then we get home, we're gonna do the challenge, and blah, 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 blah.
My bread is getting soggy off.
Nice eat bread and get soggy. Okay.
Man, this place is a sandwich.
Notice my bread is not soggy, right? You know why it's not soggy? Because I ate it before it had time for the stuff to seep in. That's why. That's how you prevent your bread from getting soggy. Now y'all know. If you're doing a time challenge, eat the food before it gets soggy. So I won't work. Well, what you have to do. Now I gotta figure out the time. Should we just stop the clock when I finish? Or okay.
So Maurice already know Auntie eats slow. She already know that.
Just so nobody say nothing. All right, just green pepper. Well, I don't know what constitutes finish, so I'm going to do is wait till I have no more food in my mouth. I don't want to lose on the technicality because I know sometimes people be like, well, he ain't finished eating all his food, Maurice, so he shouldn't win. He still have food in his mouth. I I'm not gonna open my mouth and show you that it's all gone. I'm gonna take my word for it. And it's gone. And stop. 11 minutes, 9.77 seconds. Y'all see that? Yeah.
Well, did I tell you?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So you stop the clock? Huh?
Ah. Yes, I stopped the clock.
Oh. Yeah, look, this the bread. This all the meat. I don't even see the bread for the bottom part. Where's the bottom bread?
Did you have a bottom bread?
Yeah.
You must have ate it.
What is that?
Bread.
Soggy bread.
All right. Well, anything else you want to say?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
These pickles look raggedy, y'all. I had to cut them. Hold on.
You might want to, because I feel a, excuse me. No, nothing there. I feel a little gassy.
All right, well, let me get off, y'all. All right, y'all. Like I said, well, Uncle David said, all the rules in the beginning. She didn't challenge nobody but anybody that wants to do this challenge. She said to tell you to do it.
Yep, to help her celebrate.
To help her celebrate, yes. And again, I want to say happy 8K. Some more eats. I'm going to get this, sis. I'm going to get there. But congratulations to you. Keep grinding. Keep staying humble. And remain being the beautiful person that you are. Auntie loved you to the moon and back. Auntie loved you infinity. And you better know it.
Dang, she said that. And she said it with her chest out.
Said it with my chest out. I said what I said.
Uh-oh.
I love you and Agnes and... Oh, I can't think of her daughter's name right now. It's not Dynasty. Destiny. And Freddie.
Yeah.
And Melina.
Who's that? Oh, her mom.
Yeah. Love y'all. All the way from Maryland, all the way to California. Love y'all. Bye.
Peace. Okay. I got to keep that. Yes.
You better delete that part.